again to the Hipnique Virtual Studio. Okay, I am going to show you in this little brief segment a couple of my favorite belly dance moves. I use them all the time. So we're going to work on outward mayas, inward mayas, and we're also going to work on the upper body chest circle. And one last bit, I'm going to show you an Omis. So you're going to have 4 moves in a quick space, and then we're going to throw on a little music and practice them. All right, so outward maya, you've learned about the hip lifts and drops. With the outward maya, I do lift the hip. I'm going to show you straight on. I'm lifting up the hip, I'm pushing it out and tucking it back in. If I were to do the one side, that's what it would look like. I'm going to bring the arms out so you can see the hip. Up, out, pull in. I'm using my lower belly to steer my hip. Lift, out with a stretch, pull in. Let's look at that on the other side. Lift, out, pull in. Just like all of our moves, I have that tuck in the pelvis, my knees are soft, tall upper body, rolled back shoulders. When I put the two together, the outward maya looks like this. Out, 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 out. You could add a little swing arm with it. You could frame to the sides. Now, let's look at the inward maya. This one sometimes is more challenging for individuals, but everyone has their strong points. So we're going to drop down. I'm going to scoop up and in. Drop the hip down, lengthening through the side. Scoop up and in. Now let's look at it on the other side. Drop down, scoop, in, down, scoop, in. When I put it together, scoop, 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 and the feet could be a little wider. Feeling that oblique again. So lots of oblique work in this one. All right, let's do one last hip move, Omis. Now, I'm going to turn sideways for a moment. With the Omis, I tuck in the front. I'm going to release to the side, almost like a bump. Release to the back gently. Release to the other side, which you can't see right there. Tuck, over, back. Release. Now when I put it all together, it goes around, around. One of my first instructors told me it's like you're trying to scoop all the peanut butter out of the jar. Okay, same thing the other way. Tuck, release, back, release, tuck, release, back, release, and around. 2, 3, 4. Okay, one last move. Ready? Chest circles. With the chest circle, I'm going to hit all 4 points, just like I did with my Omis. Lift, slide, drop, slide, lift, slide, drop, slide. When I link it together, scoop around, scoop around. Lower half of my belly is strong and solid. I'm trying not to use the shoulders to do my lift, but they will come along for the ride. The other direction, same thing. All right, 4 quick moves. Let's put them to a bit of music and dance. All right, Maya. This is our outward. Out. Out, out, slow down, quick, 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 quick. Good, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now in, Other way to finish. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. See you again next time.